Keekom's guide to building your own website landing page. Each beacon comes with a free web page builder. Follow these steps to build your own custom website landing page. Keep in mind that this is a special landing page just for your beacon, which may or may not look like your existing company website. The website landing page should tie in to the 40-character message or offering that is being broadcast to your beacons. So if you're offering a special, this is where it should show up. As you go through this learning video, you can stop or start by simply touching the spacebar on your computer. You can also wind back the video to review any section more than once. Please note that if you have a pop-up blocker enabled on your browser when you are building your website, some of the features may be disabled. Here we go. Let's build your first website landing page. Open the Keekom homepage at keekom.com and select Member Login from the menu at the top of the page. When you see this screen, fill in your email address or username and then next, fill in your password. Let's build your first website. Your Keekom Beacon Manager will open first. Look to the left, click on Custom Landing Page. Next, click on Add Landing Page. Before you build your landing page, you should organize your photos and your text so that you can build your page efficiently. If you have to go looking for photos and text all over your computer in dozens of files, it can take you a great deal of time. You can put them all in one file folder, or as we did for this example, we've put the photos we're going to use right on the desktop for easy access. The first step is to select the picture that you're going to use for your header. Click the camera symbol, number 1 on the slide. Once you do that, the program will open up your file folder menu. Click on the selected cover photo that you will be inserted. Note, this photo must be smaller than 2 megabytes. This Keekom Website Builder program accepts JPEGs or PNG files only. The recommended size is 1200 by 800 pixels, although the program will crop your photo to fit. This isn't recommended, however, because it will try to squeeze larger photos into the space provided. This can be discouraging when you view them on your mobile device. Number 2 is next. Fill in the title of your website landing page. Fill in a slogan, such as Explore Las Vegas Real Estate in this example, then product, service, addresses. In truth, we are just trying to give you an opportunity to give the user your important headlines. This will autofill in your final website. You can always preview how it will look by clicking on Preview. We also have website examples for you to take a peek at to get ideas. Check out number 3. Just click and hold for the drop-down menu. 4. Load your logo here, the same way you loaded your cover picture. This time, maximum size is 1 megabyte. Choose an abbreviated page name. This shows up on website searches, so give it some thought. Now that you have gone this far, you can save your work. Number 6. Choose a headline font color. If your picture is dark, choose white headlines. If it is light in color, choose the black. 7. You can always click on the preview button to see how your design is coming along. 8. Don't forget to save often. Write your story in this space. You can use the text controls to customize, bold, underline, color, etc. If you have a Word document, you can cut and paste into this space. However, you must review the results carefully because Microsoft Word uses some unique characters of code which can affect how your text looks here. You can always make adjustments and make corrections right here on this word processor. This is an important field. It's your offer to attract people into viewing your property or your call to action for a discount or any other reason that you use to get them into your store or take some action. If you have a YouTube video, insert the name of the video and then paste in the video link. If you want to highlight a photograph all by itself, insert a standalone photo here. Note, you don't have to add anything in these locations, but they are available for your use. You can build a photo slideshow here. The first thing you want to do is to title your photo gallery slideshow. Here we called it View Home Gallery because it's a real estate listing for a home. Click on the camera in the center of the graphic, then add your first photo from your photo folder or from your desktop if that's how you're arranging your photos. Click on the small photos, one at a time, in the same manner. You can upload up to 10 photos. Size your photos to be roughly 800 by 600 pixels. For those of you that want to add a 3D tour of your business, your home for sale, etc., paste in an iframe code in this space. This is a brand new technology provided by some professional photographers. If you hire them to do a photo tour, they will give you the code. You don't have to worry about it. If you aren't dealing with a professional, don't worry, just leave this window empty. The next thing you want to do is scroll down and fill out your corporate or your personal information. Next, fill in your name, store or company here. Then, fill in your address, certificate or other information, the hours of your operation or other information regarding your business. You may then want to fill in a call to action here. We said, call today for a list of discounted homes. Next, you fill in the phone number, your email address, and your website. Lastly, place your logo here for your company, or you can add a photo of yourself. For instance, if you sell insurance, you may want to put your own picture in this spot. Just so you know, the contact information that you have been filling out while building your website is automatically transferred to your final website design. Scroll down again and fill out your map and contact information. Fill in your sign-up phrase. Example, sign up for weekly hot sheet listing for real estate as an example. Input your email address again. This may be different from your company email above. Example, hotsheet@premierone.com. Fill in address for Google Maps, which may be different from your address above. Once you type in the address for Google Maps, at the end, after the website is complete and you have clicked Finished, you will go back to your beacon control panel. Google will get your updated information and will post your map generally within 5 minutes. The contact information that you fill out while building your website is automatically transferred to your final website. So when the customer fills out the form you see here that you're building, the information is used to automatically generate 2 emails. When the Contact Us form is filled out for a person that is interested in being contacted or put on your mailing list, 2 emails are automatically generated, one to the person that filled out the form and one to the owner of the website. That could be you. Make sure that the email you use will be the one that gets to you or the person responsible for communicating with these new leads. The next section is where you input your favicon. A favicon is generally a logo for your company or your product. This favicon automatically shows up in the browser to the left of your website address. And most importantly, they show up in your Google Nearby notification on the phones that are receiving your message. We showed you our own Keekom logo as an example. These sections are optional. They are for those of you that know and appreciate the power of marketing on advanced platforms. Check out the links in the upper right side of each form for a more in-depth explanation and help. You should consider completing at least the SEO content and meta tag sections. And for some of you that understand the meaning of all of this, the Google Ad marketing section as well. Most of you have heard of SEO. The words you put in here are used by the search engines to find your site. So think of all the keywords about your business that you can come up with. You can put up to 25 here. Remember, when typing, separate each keyword or phrase by a comma. Note that keywords are not case sensitive in this particular case. The next fill-in area is for meta tags. A meta tag is a short description of your website used by search engines, and they are case sensitive. See the example here. Some of you are really in the know and want to add your own Google Ads remarketing tag or code. This is a place for that. This is optional, however. Read about what this is and how to use it by clicking on the link next to the fill-in area. Many of you are into social media and have a Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or other social media site and account. This is where you put this information. Type the information in the space provided and make sure that you turn the notification on. See the blue slide switch to the right of each form. The last thing you do now is save and click Finished. When you do, you'll be taken back to your beacon manager to assign the website landing page to one or more of your beacons. That's the end. You've created your first Keekom landing page. You're now ready to assign the landing page to one of your beacons. To find out how to do that, check into our Learning Center for another great instructional video. From all of us here at Keekom, we wish you all the best.